Looking to turn your yard waste into useful mulch without breaking a sweat? Today, we're reviewing the best garden wood chippers, ranked from weakest to best. Whether you need a budget-friendly electric option or a powerful gas-powered beast, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list is the Earthwise GS70015, an entry-level electric wood chipper designed for light-duty yard work. It's compact, simple to use, and an eco-friendly choice for small-scale chipping. But with a branch capacity of just 1.75 inches, it's not built for heavy-duty tasks. This model is perfect for small twigs, branches, and leaves, making it ideal for casual backyard maintenance. Its built-in collection bin makes cleanup a breeze, and since it runs on electricity, there's no need to deal with gas or oil. If you just need a basic chipper to keep your yard tidy, this one gets the job done. However, the GS70015 does have limitations. Its motor isn't the most powerful, and it struggles with anything thicker than 1.75 inches. Plus, you'll need to keep it plugged in, so if your yard is large, that extension cord might become a hassle. This is a great pick if you only need to chip small branches and prefer an electric option. But if you need more power or a higher reduction ratio, keep watching. Oh, and by the way, if you want to check out any of these products at the best price, we've got all the links down in the description. Next up is the Earthwise GS015, a slightly upgraded version of the previous model. It's still an electric chipper, but it comes with a few extra features that make it a better option for some homeowners. The GS015 has the same 15 amp motor but adds a faster blade speed and an 8:1 reduction ratio, meaning it shreds yard waste more efficiently. It also comes with a bigger 12-gallon collecting bag and wheels for better portability, making it easier to move around your yard. Now, like its predecessor, this model still has a hard limit of 1.75 inch branches. If you're dealing with thicker branches or tougher wood, this won't cut it, literally. Plus, it still requires an extension cord and a nearby power source. So who's this for? If you liked the GS715 but wanted something with a bit more efficiency and ease of use, the GS015 is a better choice. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Now, stepping things up a notch, we have the LawnMaster FD1503. This is still an electric chipper, but it packs more power and efficiency than the previous Earthwise models. The biggest advantage here is the 14:1 reduction ratio, meaning it turns yard waste into fine mulch much more effectively. It also handles branches up to 1.8 inches, which is slightly better than the Earthwise models. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver at just 26.1 pounds. But like all electric chippers, it's still limited by power and cord length. It won't handle large branches, and you'll need a good outdoor extension cord. Also, while the reduction ratio is impressive, the blade speed is slightly lower than the Yeryork wood chipper, which we'll get to next. So who is this for? If you want an electric chipper that's more efficient than Earthwise models, this is a solid upgrade. It's lightweight, powerful, and great for homeowners with moderate yard waste to manage. Coming in at number 2, we have the Yeryork wood chipper, and this one stands out as the best electric option on our list. If you're looking for maximum efficiency without being gas powered, this might be the one for you. The Yeryork chipper boasts the highest blade speed at 4,100 RPM and an impressive 16:1 reduction ratio. That means it shreds through yard debris faster and turns branches into finer mulch compared to the LawnMaster. It also has a massive 50-liter collection bag, so you won't have to empty it as often. However, it still has the same 1.77 inch branch limitation as other electric chippers. If you're dealing with thick branches, this isn't the right tool for the job. And of course, it's electric, so you'll need a power source nearby. This is the best electric chipper on our list and a fantastic option if you want top-tier efficiency without the hassle of a gas engine. If you're enjoying this review, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more great product breakdowns like this one. And finally, taking the top spot is the GARDENBEAUT GBR30. This is a true heavy-duty wood chipper, designed for those who need serious power and performance. With a 7 horsepower gas engine, this beast can handle branches up to 3 inches thick, far more than any electric model. It's built with a solid steel frame and a 15:1 reduction ratio, making it the most capable chipper on our list. If you need a chipper for serious yard cleanup or small-scale landscaping, this is the one to get. Of course, gas-powered means maintenance. You'll need to deal with fuel, oil changes, and a louder operation. Plus, it's heavier than electric models, so portability is not its strong suit. This is the best choice for anyone who needs a heavy-duty chipper that won't back down from thick branches. If you're a landscaper, a homeowner with a large yard, or just need raw power, the GARDENBEAUT GB030 is the clear winner. That wraps up our list of the best garden wood chippers. If you want to check out any of these models, we've got the best deals linked in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great product reviews.